Imagine a vehicle so powerful, so secretive, and so advanced that it's basically a rolling fortress. That's exactly what the 2025 version of the Beast is, the official state car of the President of the United States, and perhaps the most secure automobile on the planet. Built by General Motors and disguised under Cadillac styling, this machine is not just a luxury vehicle, it's a masterpiece of military-grade engineering and cutting-edge technology. At first glance, the 2025 Beast looks like a larger-than-life Cadillac sedan, gleaming in pristine white when displayed in a luxury setting. The front grille carries the signature Cadillac design but is reinforced to handle direct attacks. The massive tires are run-flat military-grade, capable of driving even if they are shredded. Every inch of this vehicle screams strength, protection, and presence. From bulletproof glass several inches thick to armor-plated doors as heavy as those on a Boeing 757, nothing about this car is ordinary. Underneath its stylish yet intimidating exterior, the Beast is built on a modified heavy-duty truck chassis, giving it the strength to carry its massive armor load. The body panels are a mixture of steel, titanium, ceramic, and composite materials, designed to withstand explosives, chemical attacks, and direct gunfire. In case of an emergency, the car is sealed airtight and even has its own oxygen supply. The interior is pure luxury combined with tactical necessity. White leather seats contrast beautifully with black and gold trim, and everything is tailored to the President's needs. There's a communication center inside, complete with encrypted satellite phones to maintain constant contact with the Pentagon, intelligence agencies, and world leaders. A retractable partition can isolate the rear cabin from the driver's compartment, offering privacy and additional protection. The seating arrangement includes 2 executive chairs facing a rear bench, providing space for the President, key advisors, and security personnel. Even the trunk is fully loaded with emergency equipment. Blood samples matching the President's type, oxygen tanks, firefighting gear, and a complete medical kit are all on board. There's also a special system to deploy smoke screens or tear gas if necessary. The car's fuel tank is armored and lined with special foam to prevent it from exploding under attack. The Beast travels as part of a heavily coordinated motorcade, with multiple identical decoys to confuse potential threats. Specialized vehicles, including heavily armed SUVs, counter-assault teams, and electronic warfare units, all move with it in a precise and highly rehearsed choreography. Despite its incredible weight and size, the Beast moves with a quiet authority. It's powered by a highly customized diesel engine optimized for reliability and torque rather than speed. While it's not breaking any land speed records, when you're carrying the Commander-in-Chief, it's not about speed, it's about survival. Each version of the Beast is an evolution, and the 2025 model represents the very peak of modern security technology merged with presidential luxury. From the hand-stitched presidential seals in the leather seats to the hidden defensive systems nobody outside the Secret Service knows about, the Beast is more than a car. It's a symbol, a moving fortress that represents not just the safety of the President, but the power and reach of the United States itself. Next time you see that massive white limo rolling down Pennsylvania Avenue, remember, it's not just a Cadillac. It's a legend on wheels, and it's built to survive almost anything the world can throw at it.